Have you ever wondered why certain patterns seem to repeat in your life, almost as if governed by an unseen force? In our vast cosmos, everything bows to unchanging laws or principles. These rules remain steadfast, operating universally, whether we're discussing the observable physical world or the elusive, enigmatic spiritual realm. Even as we delve into the mysteries of the quantum world, we stumble upon evidence suggestive of a purposeful creation. Great minds like Albert Einstein have acknowledged a spiritual presence in the universe's workings, emphasizing that spiritual laws are as solid and reliable as physical ones. These spiritual principles, often overlooked, have a profound influence on our earthly existence. One of these, the spiritual law of sowing and reaping, is a beacon of transformative power. This law, although simple, is truly potent, teaching us that our actions and intentions set in motion a series of effects that eventually circle back to us. The law of sowing and reaping is straightforward yet immensely potent. Picture it this way: our minds are fertile ground, thoughts are seeds we plant, our actions water these seeds, and our emotions are the sunlight that helps them grow. We sow seeds of thought into the soil of our mind, and with belief and perseverance we witness them grow into reality. This law teaches us that every action, every intention sets into motion a series of consequences that ultimately circle back to us. It's a cosmic boomerang, if you will. What we send out into the universe, we receive back in kind. The power of positive thinking and the potential impact of negative thoughts cannot be overstated. Quantum physics suggests that our dominant thoughts shape our reality. Therefore, it's crucial that we focus on what we desire, not what we fear. However, despite this universal truth, many fail to achieve their aspirations due to a habitual focus on what they don't want, rather than what they do. Energy flows where attention goes, meaning that our predominant thoughts dictate our reality. This statement isn't just an esoteric saying, it's a fundamental truth that quantum physics supports. Every thought you entertain, every emotion you feel, every action you take is like a ripple in the pond of existence, affecting the fabric of reality itself. Consider the concept of consciousness. It's not just about being awake and aware, it's about being intentional with your thoughts and actions. Consciousness is the driving force behind the creation of your reality. It's the master artist, and your life is the canvas. Have you ever heard the saying, "You become what you think about"? This simple mantra encapsulates a profound truth. Your thoughts, beliefs, and expectations shape your reality. They are the seeds you plant in the fertile soil of your mind. Every time you entertain a thought, you water that seed. Every time you act on that thought, you shine sunlight on it. But here's where the power truly lies. You have the ability to choose your thoughts. You can align them with your desires and goals, carefully selecting the seeds you wish to plant. This is the essence of conscious thought and action. Just as a gardener tends to their crops, you must tend to your thoughts. Nurture those that serve you and weed out those that hinder your growth. Remember, you are the architect of your reality. Through conscious thought and action, we shape our reality, reaping what we sow. Understanding the law of sowing and reaping empowers us to create the life we desire. This spiritual law, like a compass, guides us through life's labyrinth, steering us towards our chosen destiny. Its transformative power lies in its ability to shape our reality and redefine our perspective on life. Each thought we nurture, every action we initiate, translates into a seed planted in the fertile soil of our consciousness. Our daily life then becomes a garden filled with the fruits of our thoughts and actions. The more we apply this spiritual law, the more we observe its transformative power. Our lives begin to mirror our inner landscape, reflecting the seeds we have sown within our minds and hearts. This isn't an overnight transformation, though. Just as a seed takes time to sprout and grow, so too does our reality take time to align with our thoughts and intentions. Patience, perseverance, and faith in the process are vital. But imagine a life where you're the master gardener, where every seed sown is a deliberate choice towards a desired outcome. Imagine the power you hold to cultivate happiness, peace, and fulfillment. This is the transformative power of the spiritual law of sowing and reaping. So next time you find yourself at a crossroads, remember the law of reaping and sowing and choose the path that leads to the garden of happiness and fulfillment you wish to cultivate.